western Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, western Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, southwestern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 11 p.m. At 10:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Brooklyn, or near Evansville, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Multiple inch-to-inch-and-a-half hail reports have been received from Greene and Rock counties. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include eastern Madison, Sun Prairie, Pittsburgh, Watertown, Stoughton, Oregon, Jefferson, McFarland, Monona, Lake Mills, Edgerton, Marshall, Waterloo, Cottage Grove, Johnson Creek, Deerfield, Cambridge, Brooklyn, Lake Ripley, and Lake Koshkonong. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The 10